Oh, I really need to. I was about to say whippersnip. You want me to leave it? I don't know if you just finished that. Okay, well. Oh, yeah, chill, buddy, chill. Is your lady about? Or will she just magically appear? I was just cutting some shadecloth and he turned up and sang at me for a bit. I thought, well, oh, it's a bird bath the other side. If this is your first video of mine, there's a big beautiful bird bath the other side of the house, and he's swum in it many times and drank there many times. I'm not a big meanie, and I do supply water to the birds. Oops, I'm blocking you in the gate this time. Okay, well listen, we'll do a bale, shall we? Chaos is still the order of the day around here. Yeah, mate, water in can. And this has to go all the way around the back to the 19th bale. Okay, sorting camera out. The noble and hungry magpie. Okay, that should do it. No lady? Oh, actually, that's going to get hit by the bale. No lady? Okay, mate, off the bale. Left, right, backwards, forwards, I don't care. You're right where my hand goes, mate. Don't need it. Ready? Get off it. Yep, he's off. Ooh, down there. I'm sure he can't be finished. He came very close to my head when he flew away. I'll pop this back. Oh, that's Dale, that. And I'll turn it over if she comes or he comes back. It's quite possible. Okay. Oh, and if they don't, have a good one.